Today we are going to be looking at consequences of abortion. Now I will tag abortion consequences into two different categories: the immediate effect you get and the later effect that may come that you might not even understand it was from your previous abortion you did. Now let's look at the immediate effects. You can get infection just from doing abortion, so it's like PID. You can also have excessive bleeding following this abortion because first thing first, the drug was not prescribed by a doctor. You might have taken a book, you might have gone to internet, find one drug and take it in excess. So you may end up bleeding that might even be life-threatening. And do not forget, you must have what we call incomplete abortion. That's the one that when it happens, females that feel severe lower abdominal pain that will make them shout and run to one hospital or the other for safety. Also, do not forget that in that place you are doing this, remember it's illegal. And don't forget it's an illegal protocol for you to do abortion. So it's called unsafe abortion. So in that place you are doing it, it might be in hand of one quack or the other. But even this is a doctor, he's trying to run away from reality. So he's doing it very, very fast. You can even rupture your uterus, young girl. And at the end of the day, you come down with DIC and it might cost your life. Remember that most people who are involved in abortion end up dying from it. Now, apart from those immediate consequences, let's look at the later, what might happen later in life. Tomorrow you want to get married and you want children, and you don't know that abortion you did can lead to total infertility from PID, infection which you got from the process because it's unsafe and illegal. I used to forgotten. I can also get ectopic pregnancy from this protocol. And ectopic pregnancy, my dear, with the cut off one of your fallopian tube, so we're going to do a saprophyrectomy for you. And if that one is already blocked by infection you got from the process, you see, at the end of the day, you're not able to get pregnant or give birth. You now start referring to one old man in your village that does not watch your progress. My dear sister, another abortion when you do 10 years ago before you're married, mind they lead to this thing. So do not target to any old man or anybody in your village. Now you cause harm. Now, apart from that one, if a woman be don't get belly for a man, note and understand. Say you feel marry another man, you come down with hypertension in pregnancy or preeclampsia. That one now not deadly problem that can also cost your life. And this might be the consequence of abortion you did 10 years ago. You can't remember I said you don't do abortion. Now, above all, make I bring your head to something we're supposed to know. At 13, you won't do abortion. What will be your blood group? What will be your register factor? You know, no. You go do abortion, 20 years time, you don't marry, they find picking. The abortion what you do, you not take drugs to prevent whatever that is going on. Because of if you are registered negative and the guy will presented you like the registered positive guy. My dear, you don't end your career of giving birth to. Not be a village people after you, now you after yourself. Because for the fact say you not take the drug, we will help keep the body normal. Such as Rogan, to avoid history incompatibility, my dear, you know go born again. And at the end of the day, you go label and tell village people. But you don't forget that the abortion you do 10 years ago, then they cause all this problem. But first of all, the abortion is not legal. So you not do them at the right place. And you don't go take a book in excess or alamo, those things you will come buy or small start with whatever you mix together. Or you go online, see one drug, you buy them, take them. Without knowing, say that is not the medical protocol. You don't do anything because if you say you feel do them, or you say you sabi who don't do them survive. Make I tell you one thing, but if you do them go free today, or you don't know what they see tomorrow. And if you don't go tell you what they see tomorrow, now make I surprise you. If you go to fertility hospitals now mostly young girls you see there. You go see a girl of 24 years, they don't marry, nothing complicated. If you take history, they find out they depend on like 2-3 abortions. So it doesn't make sense. Now, apart from that, it also have what we call emotional effects. So people after doing abortion, they go win the regret. You don't come to their head with the regret. After regression, sadness don't enter, guilt don't enter. You go see now the next thing, anxiety, depression. Before you go know, they don't begin to take all kind of drugs to think that it's a way to alleviate the consequences of the problem or what they're committed. No, that is not going to help you. Because if you don't choose to do abortion, remember the consequences. And the consequences is no fun. Like as I mentioned them, immediate and delayed consequences. So you can for your mind, say abortion fit cause all this is why I mentioned. Remember, we always say stay alive, live with others. Thank you.